Misters, Mrs., and Miss. Oh, did you tell your mama it was Mr. and Mrs. Lady?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on? So we about to do a taco challenge. We are here at Taco Bell in Kentucky. Let me show y'all. Okay. So this is KFC. They got Taco Bell up in here too.
Yeah.
So we getting ready to start this challenge in a minute, y'all.
Yep.
So we're gonna put the timer on our phone. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got a mixture of tacos. Ooh, good. We got a lot of sauce.
A lot of napkins.
I guess we can. Let me see. Open this right here. Give me your wipe. Yeah, you can put it right here. Okay. What's going on with y'all?
Should I open my side?
You can. Yeah. Oh, this must be more. So we got extra tomatoes and extra onions, you guys. I like extra. Okay. Take out all the sauce. We got plenty of sauce, y'all.
Plenty of sauce.
Yeah. So, you guys, now I want to first introduce to you. Tell them your name.
My name is Jordan.
Jordan, and she has been our friend for a while now. We live in the same community, and so when we set up the jewelry table, when we do our business and everything, she's often at our table. So we decided to do this challenge, and we're going to be eating as many tacos that we can. Oh, it's windy, y'all. We're going to be eating as many tacos as we can in 8 minutes. So let me get my phone out. And I'm going to put the timer on, the stopwatch on for 8 minutes. And some of you may know Jordan on here because of people that we follow. So I believe people in the community may follow us too. So they know Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I got the clock ready. You want to get your tacos out?
Yeah.
So you guys, we got a mixture of the Dorito local taco, soft tacos, and crunchy tacos. These are the Dorito kind. So let's see, Dorito for you. Two Doritos for you. Two for me. Hey, Mom, we about to do our challenge. I'll call you back, Mom. Oh, these are the Dorito kind? Wait. All right, okay. Bye.
No, those are the regulars.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. We got to keep some up in here. It's so windy.
Yeah.
Maybe we could put our drinks in here.
Yeah.
We're going to keep our drinks in because it's windy out here. Y'all, we don't want to sit inside because, they got music playing and I don't want to get no copyright. So this is the soft.
Yeah, I got a sauce.
Okay, I got a soft. Yeah, we could keep some of them up in there.
Yeah, you want to keep
Yeah, because we don't want to take all of them out. I think I'm going to start with my sauce. Yeah. Taking all yours out?
No.
Oh.
This is the two sauce.
So we're gonna set it for 8 minutes, you guys.
Oh, should we tell them what we're drinking?
Oh yeah, tell them, Jordan.
We are drinking Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
Yes. Okay, so let me see.
You want to do it on my phone?
Wait, this shit's tripping.
Yes, Jesse. I'm doing a food challenge with, yeah, Biana.
Hey, Jesse.
She says hi. Hold on. Yeah, because I wanted to give Michelle a little thing for her thing.
I don't know if you guys can see that. It's 8 minutes on there. 8
I'll
minutes.
just do it later because it's alright. I'll just do it when I go back to work. Alright. Yeah, she's gonna post it on YouTube. Alright. Alright.
Oh, okay. Okay, y'all ready? You ready, girl?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so look, 8 minutes is on there.
Yep.
All right. So we ready? Wait, let's get a few of them ready. We're gonna get a few of them ready, y'all.
You want to start with your soft top real quick? And then,
Yeah. And then, but I want to put some stuff on here too.
oh,
You can have some of this if you want.
I don't like,
Oh, okay. You don't like onions either?
no.
Cool. So we just hooking them up first, you guys. Put your garbage inside. I know. Where all this wind come from, y'all?
So I'll put some hot
Yeah,
and
hot.
fire.
Yeah, we got some of all kind of sauce, you guys. Ooh, I want Diablo. I'm gonna get this Diablo. So I had some what? Fire and
You got some hot, some mild, some fire.
ooh, it's about to be hot. Maybe we should see. We right by the street. The street is right here, you
Yeah.
guys. You know what?
What?
We should move over here. Give us a second, you guys. Okay, y'all, that's a lot better. Sorry, we had to just move away from the street. Go away, go away. Okay, let me know when you're ready. Got it all hooked up.
Ooh, that's hot.
Oh yeah, I know. I got that on one of them. I ain't gonna put that on all of them.
Put hot, fire, and the alcohol.
Yeah.
On all of them. This one is put the alcohol.
I think I'm gonna put fire on this one. So what y'all doing today on this Friday? Happy Friday. TGIF. Okay. You got that? Oh, put our napkins right. Okay, I left some napkins on your side.
Okay, you put that now.
Mhm.
Alright.
Okay. So we getting ready to start, you guys. Okay, when I say I'm gonna count backwards, 3, 2, 1, and then we can do it. Let me get back on the screen. Okay, 8 minutes, you guys. 8 minutes. Okay. Ready? 3. Wait a minute. Let me get mine ready. Where's that soft one at?
Oh, you have to put it on.
I didn't. Because see, I gotta put it on when Let me get some sauce ready. You know how when you open it, you gotta put it on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the hot on this one. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put it down. But you know what? I could do everything. Yeah, I'm gonna do everything now. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these here for now because I got 4 of them over here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to get ready, y'all. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, start. Ah! Can't get it off the paper. Man, we hungry, y'all. We hungry.
You ain't eat nothing.
mm. Good, good, good. We got to send it to everybody. Sorry for the noise, you guys. We're on a busy street.
Down.
Put it in back of the phone. One down, y'all.
I'm gonna get my shot popping.
You are? So we both got 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this, a family pack? Value pack?
Value pack, yeah.
Value pack, y'all. Oh, they just put Doritos on all the time. Making a mess. We have 5 minutes, 18 seconds. That's how much time we have left. Whatever you smell, you gotta eat it. Should have brought a bag for garbage, huh?
Uh,
'We're on number 3. Number 3 for you, Jordan?
yep, number 3 for me.
Diablo. Ooh, we gotta hurry up. And we use wipes, y'all, before we started.
Yeah.
3 minutes, 40 seconds left. Oh, so good.
I'm just scarfing it down.
Me too. 3 down. Doritos Locos Tacos. Number 4. Number 4.
Yep.
Number 4.
Also having a Doritos Locos taco too.
Oh yeah, I love this.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
1 minute, 55 left. Oh. Can't eat that off the table, y'all. I'm on number 5. Oh, shoot. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Number 5. 1 minute left. Some people probably can eat all of these to themselves in 8 minutes.
Girl. Oh, number 5 for me too.
5, okay. Mm. Oh my goodness. That's 5 for you. And this is 5 for me, y'all, so y'all can see who won. Show them yours. Jordan won, y'all. Jordan won. She got only a little bit of her number 5 left. Wow.
Wow.
Let's give each other a hand. So we just gonna finish this one, y'all.
Yeah.
Jordan won. We gotta get her something. That was fun.
That was fun. Glad we did it.
I know. We'll do a different kind next time. Maybe in after our anniversary, our wedding anniversary is next week. So next weekend. So after that, maybe we'll do another one. And my other friend Raquel, girl, you gotta let me know what day you want to do it. Mister is over there in the car, y'all.
Yeah. You're wondering where he's at.
He didn't want to do it. Maybe the next challenge he'll do it.
You want to do it this time? You said, but maybe next time.
Yeah. Oh, that was fun.
That was fun. That was so fun.
I'm gonna go ask them for a bag.
All of our work.
Right. Okay, y'all. So we're not gonna keep you. We want to thank you for watching, and we want to challenge you too. So how many can you eat in 8 minutes?
8 minutes.
And we had a 12 pack in a box. So we have 2 tacos left. I mean, wait, 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she did 5, I did 5. I did 4.5, almost 5. So we want you to get some tacos, whatever kind. If you like the soft tacos, crunchy, whatever you want. And how many you can do in 8 minutes. So we see you guys next time. Thumbs up this video. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.